Welcome to Maths Masterclass. In this video, we will be looking at rounding decimals to 2 decimal places. You can find other videos on how to round decimals to 1 decimal place, or nearest tenth, nearest whole number, and nearest thousandth, or 3 decimal places. Feel free to watch and learn. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Here are simple steps to round decimals to 2dp. 1. Identify the second decimal place, the hundredths place. 2. Look at the right of the second decimal place, the third decimal place. If the digit is 5 or more, round up the digit in the second decimal place. If it is 4 or less, keep the digit in the second decimal place the same. 3. Drop the remaining digits after rounding. Let's solve these examples. Round the following decimals to 2 decimal places. Number 1, 3.456. The digit in the second decimal place is 5, so we look to the right. The digit at the right is 6, which is greater than 5, so we round up the digit in the second decimal place, which will give 6. Remove other digits to the right, and the answer is 3.46. Number 2, 12.499. The digit in the second decimal place is 9, so we look to the right. The digit at the right, which is the third decimal place, is 9, and it's greater than 5. So we round up the digit in the second decimal place, which will give 10. But we can't have 2 digits in one place value. So we write 0 and carry 1 to the next place value by the left, here the first decimal place, just as in regular addition, and the digit becomes 5. Remove other digits to the right of the second decimal place, and the answer is 12.50. Number 3, 0.3749. The digit in the second decimal place is 7, so we look to the right. The digit at the right is 4, which is less than 5. We keep the digit in the second decimal place the same. Remove other digits to the right, and the answer is 0.37. See you in the next video.